Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tote from Portland Leather Goods, but this one it didn't come directly from Portland Leather Goods because I bought it in the on the Facebook group. It was from the BST Buy Sell Trade album. So this was from Brenna. She sold it to me with such a reasonable price. So the reason I haven't done much unboxing from Portland Leather Goods because they haven't released any new color to their regular listing. They just do a lot of mystery boxes, and I just don't really want to take my chances and buy a lot of mystery boxes and end up with bags that I can't use, because I know and I understand that many people suggest that you can always resell it like what Brenna did, but right now I'm just too busy and don't really want to get into resell business. So I've been patiently waiting and watching the BST album and see what people make it available, and this is a color that I really wanted and I've been waiting for a while. So the box is a little bit small for this large size tote, but I think with their full grain leather bag, you can always just reshape it and stuff it and turn it back into shape. So yeah, it's a little bit squished up right now, but let's shake it out. And I believe she said this one is the large size. It's not as big as the oversized one, but I think with large size you could get away using it as everyday bag, because it doesn't look as big in person. And I just love that this one has the zipper closure. So I don't think I like to have a lot of bags that without any zipper closure or button closure. So when I saw this available, I immediately get it because I knew this would be perfect for me. And I have been really into green color lately, so that's the bottom of the bag. I believe she got this from her mystery box. So far let's see, the zipper is quite smooth, and I love tote bag with outside pocket. Can't say enough of that, but too bad that not many company do outside pocket. So let's see, I'm sure many of you are very familiar with bags from Portland Leather Goods. Inside you have this slip pocket with their leather bag tag on it, and then on the other side you have this kind of a tab or a hook for you to keep your keys, your key fob, to hook on your keychain. So it's really convenient and handy. I started to use this feature more in some of my bags. So the leather is very soft and floppy, which is good because if you don't have a lot of stuff in it, it won't look humongous carrying it. So, and to compare with the green tote from Go Forth Goods, so this one is also called Forest Green from Go Forth Goods. This one is from Portland Leather, and not sure if you can tell the difference. Color wise, I think the one from Go Forth Goods has a slight blue tint to it and more pebbly. This one is slightly more, kind of more like a smooth leather with some pebbling texture on it. And of course, go for good one, the leather is much thicker but also heavier. This one is lighter. So in case you want to see the color differences, here is the comparison. So if you are like me and you try not to add too many random tote bags to your collection, but you still want the cool colors from Portland Leather Goods, try joining the Portland Leather Goods Facebook group and watch out for their BST album. Whenever people receive tote that they already have or the extra tote that they don't need, they will sell it in the BST album. So, which is a great way to catch what you like instead of buying random totes. So, thanks for joining me for today's unboxing, and let me know what you want to see more on this channel. I can't wait to produce more content soon. Bye!